Who is the best?
I am the best.
Who is confident?
I am confident.
Who is confident?
I am confident.
Who is smart?
I am smart.
Who is smart?
I am smart.
Who is the best?
I am the best.
Who is the best?
I am the best.
Who can speak English?
I can speak.
Who can speak English?
I can speak.
Okay, so let me just take you a test that who can speak English perfectly. So the first one, what's your name?
My name is Jihad.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sports is football.
Why do you like football?
I like football because
It's very
it's very fun and interesting game.
very good. What's your name?
My name is Aham.
Can you cook?
Yes.
What's your favorite food?
Kachi.
Why do you like kachi?
This is very yummy.
Yummy, very good. What's your name?
My name is Rahman.
What's your favorite country in the world?
Japan.
Why do you like Japan?
Because it is very
It is very neat and clean and peaceful country. Bolen, why do you like Japan?
because it is very neat and clean
And peaceful
and
country.
peaceful country.
Okay. What's your name? Lamim, what's your name?
My name is Ravi.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Can you speak English?
Yes.
What's your favorite language?
My favorite language is English.
Why do you like English?
I like English.
Why do you like English? আপনি কেন ইংলিশ পছন্দ করেন? Why do you like English?
I like English.
I like English because it's a nice language. অথবা I love to speak in English. Okay, Rafin, look at the camera. Rafin, tell me, what do you do in your free time?
My free time is football.
In my free time, I love to play football. Why do you like football?
It's game.
Okay, very good, very good. What's your name?
My name is Sintan.
Sintan. Where are you from? Where do you live?
I am in Bangladesh.
What's your school's name?
My glory kindergarten.
What's your favorite subject?
Maths.
Can you speak Hindi?
Yes.
Thoda, little bit, thoda. Hey, what's your name?
My name is Amina.
Do you like your mother?
Yes, I am.
Why do you like your mother?
Because he is because he
Why do you like your mother? Don't smile. Why do you like your mother?
because he is kind and honest.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Clara.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink
Why do you like pink?
because his beautiful color.
Wow, very good. Hey, my friend, what's your name?
My name is Ifan.
Ifrad. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play.
What's your favorite game?
I don't have a favorite game.
Just as usual. Okay, very good. Thanks a lot, everyone, for your excellent participation. And I really love to talk to you, and it's my pleasure to talk to you. Thanks a lot. So, who's the best?
I am the best.
Who's the best?
I am the best.
Okay, assalamu alaikum.